time in 4 or 5 years, computer room namin, palaging puno na ng teachers kasi minamaximize yung paggamit ng computer sa pag-prepare ng presentations nila. We've never seen, I personally have never seen the teachers be very aggressive when it comes to the use of sila na mismo, whether it's a picture that they need to be printed or yung kailangan nila na presentation material, sila mismo, sila na naghahanap, hindi na kami. Even the computer teacher is very happy. Meron na siya palaging kasama sa computer room pagka nagtatrabaho siya. Kaya, and the teachers became very, very resourceful. Hindi sila titigil hanggat hindi sila nakakita ng material na magagamit para sa classroom nila. Kasi, ang mga teachers pagka-graduate ng college, marunong silang gumamit ng Word, ng Excel. Very few, tinuturuan sa school kung paano gumamit ng PowerPoint presentation. Pero yung talagang gamitin ito sa classroom situation, ngayon lang nila. So even the kids, for the part of the kids, many of them were amazed, surprised even na how come we are using these materials here in school. Before, we used to have pictures lang or whatever charts we could use inside the classroom. One teacher even commented na sabi daw ng isang estudyante, "Teacher, sana ganito araw sa classroom yung paggamit ng mobile kasi kakaiba daw." And sabi ng teacher, mas mabilis ang pag-present ng lesson, ang dali nilang ma-retain yung information. Sabi daw ng isang estudyante pa, "Teacher, huwag ka na lang magsalita, watch na lang tayo." Kasi they learn a lot of things. We are bringing, kumbaga, information to them closer than what they have. Hindi yung paggamit ng computer ngayon, hindi lang yung computer games o kung ano-ano pa. It's really for information. Kaya yung mga bata, magagandahan pa, especially in their computer class, they're taught how to navigate the internet. Yung mga lessons na nakikita nila sa book, tapos sa baba may reference kung saan mga websites na pwedeng bisitahin, sila na mismo, pwede rin nilang gawin. Masaya kami. So pa, laki na itutulong. Napapa-wow yung mga magulang namin. O, diba?